We're here at the West End Medical Center here in Lancaster. And we have a modernized elevator to ride. It's got GL Jetplus now. I believe this is a total replacement model, I'm not sure. Anyways, this has been replaced by Lancaster Elevators. Take up to 3. Listen to this motor. Does have a very loud motor. Back down to 1, door close button works. It's a pretty nice elevator though. It's kind of basic too. It's got a high ceiling. Capacity on this elevator is 3,000 pounds. Easier fixtures, GL Jetplus. Lancaster elevator. There's your floor indicator. We are at 1. Takes a bit to low. Alright, now I'm going to shut the door. We'll start the motor. This thing has a pretty epic motor. Listen to this motor. Here we go to 3. Up here and GLVR. Alright, back down to 1, we'll end the video. Watch the button go out. Zoom into the button. Or 1. Here's the door track. I don't think this is the original door track. Alright, I guess we'll watch it close up. And there goes the elevator, and that will be it.